One, two, three.
We're trying to be quiet.
Why am I being quiet?
Harbor's sleeping.
We're not supposed to be quiet when Harbor's sleeping. We're also not supposed to be sleeping right now. We got stuff to do.
We were sleeping. Oh, welcome to our video where we reveal the house that we got. We should set the camera down and like talk about why we chose the house and all that good stuff.
Okay. Okay, I don't want to dilly-dally too long because people are here for one reason and one reason only. But before I get into that reason, what I would like to say thank you to all of you because we genuinely could not have bought this house if it wasn't for you. And I mean that. If we didn't have this channel and if you guys, every single individual one of you, hadn't decided to subscribe and to watch our dumb little videos, we would not have been in the place that we are right now. So I am eternally grateful.
I feel like so many people are always like, oh my gosh, your videos help me so much with like my depression and anxiety. But then it's like making these videos is what helps me with my depression and my anxiety. So it's like it just comes full circle and like I don't know, we're like blessed to have you guys.
We really are. Also, I want to apologize for the drama.
We thought it was obvious, guys. We said the boxes are in the car. Why would we?
I thought everyone would be like, oh, they're moving when we put out that first "This Is Goodbye" video.
Yeah.
But people freaked out a little bit, and I felt really guilty.
We love YouTube way too much to ever stop making content.
And we would certainly not just up and leave. Is the other thing.
No way.
So we are happy to be here. We're happy to keep making videos, and I have been talking for way too long. Let's get into what is the house that we picked. Oh God, very excited.
Okay, we went with Groovy Gamble.
No one guessed the Groovy Gamble. We just posted the video.
Can I say something though about the Groovy Gamble?
Are we gonna say what the house is?
No, after I say one.
Okay, fine.
When we saw the Groovy Gamble and we're like, okay, we're gonna put in an offer, like low key the whole week, I was like, oh, we should not have put in that offer.
Yeah, me
I was
too.
Like stressing, like we should not have done that.
Okay, the house that we are going to be living in is. Should we say it at the same time?
Yes. One, two, three.
The Honey House. Most of you guessed the Honey House because
you know us too well. It's the perfect house, literally the perfect house. I know we said that it was more expensive and I know we said that it was a lot of space, but it is just so perfect.
It's all gonna work out.
We're gonna make the backyard perfect for the dogs. It's not perfect right now, like obviously the fence and stuff, but we're gonna make it perfect for them.
So it's good to have a little project.
Yeah, those windows in the living room that look into the backyard.
Yeah.
We booked the movers to come move everything.
It's all happening.
It's all happening. We officially have the movers the 8th of October. So if you guys are curious, that's when we will be officially moving in. You guys will see the empty house tour soon because the pictures that we have, we'll like post them up as we're talking here. We didn't take pictures of everything. The house is has so much space. Like there's like a little Harry Potter like stair part that like we could show you guys.
We almost named it the Harry Potter house, actually. We went with the Honey House. That was another, I thought that you guys were gonna know it from that because we call Harbor Honey Boy and I call Abbie Honey Girl. We have a lot of honey in our lingo. And so it really just fit really well, you know, for us. You definitely keep your eye out for that empty house tour.
It's gonna be amazing.
We'll be able to talk more about it
If you're not subscribed, definitely subscribe so you can see the empty house tour and us unpacking everything. We have so much we can decorate and everything's gonna be new. We're gonna be painting things and like I said, doing the backyard for the dogs. And, like all of those are gonna be like really satisfying, fun videos.
The other house that people seem to think it was the Pretty and Pink house. For a lot of you, it was like in between. Was it Pretty and Pink or the Honey House? Pretty and Pink house was the other house that our offer was accepted on.
But we actually pulled.
We pulled out after our offer was accepted because something just didn't feel right.
Didn't feel right.
We were excited
Honestly,
about it.
I was low-key scared about that basement.
We
had been house shopping for so long, like months, and we wanted to tell you guys, but we also wanted it to be like a surprise when we got the house. And we said if we don't get this house, we are just gonna stop looking for now because the market here in Utah is literally crazy.
We got lucky too. When I was talking to our realtor about this. He said the market has been going up for so long. It's been harder and harder and harder for buyers. But right when we put the offer in on this house, for some reason there was this big random dip for like that week. And so we thought there was no way we were going to get this house because of how competitive everything was, but we got it.
It's crazy. The day that we found out, I was like, oh my gosh, like I cannot believe it.
She was crying. She didn't even cry when Harbor was born.
Yes, I did. Well, I was on a lot of drugs when I first got him out.
You didn't cry when we found out we were having him?
I was too shocked to cry. Being a mother has made me more emotional.
Yeah, she cries every day now.
The honey home forever.
Let's look at some comments you guys are leaving. So we just posted, I don't know if I said this right now.
Yeah.
Like a couple hours ago, we posted the video that we're moving. So right now the comments are all rolling in. People are posting their Instagram stories. So I'm going to go and I'm going to look at some of the comments and react to them. This person says with the honey house, if we wanted a nice garden, we could easily fix all that up and it would just be easy to do.
Which is true.
Totally true. Yeah. And that's kind of what our thought process was. Like the Groovy Gamble, the projects there are not fun projects. They, like fixing the pipes, like who wants to fix the pipes? No one wants to fix the pipes. Right. My gym was another potential issue with this house. We've decided for now we're gonna put it in like the living space in the basement, probably, and then in the future we want to get like a outdoor like space.
I'm saying the pretty and pink house so you can have your gym and office in the basement, but your gym and office will be in the basement at the new house.
That house would have been perfect for my gym. And the Groovy Gamble, I don't think we mentioned this, but it actually did have a big huge shed in the backyard that I could have put my
big shed,
gym in. So this was the worst house for my gym.
I'm sorry.
It's okay. It's probably gonna turn out because there's so much space in the basement. I don't think
we can also put a shed in the backyard if we want to, and I really want to like extend on a garage and like make more space. Like obviously that'll be like down the road, but I have so many plans.
Yeah. I drew a little diagram of the living room because I
want to buy a couch so that it's here when we move in.
Yeah. For the big living room because our couches are so tiny because our living room now is so small. We're gonna put that in the front. Those couches in the front living room. So we had to get a bigger couch. Hopefully that worked because
stay tuned. So if our couch doesn't fit, it's her fault. She said that it would. I found the couch that I wanted. She measured everything out so that I knew what custom pieces to get, and then
hopefully it's. There's carpet in our bedroom.
Right.
And I think that there's hardwood underneath it. I'm not sure because I can't rip up carpet in a house I don't own.
But now you can because now it's yours.
I looked into the history of all of these houses and someone died in both of the other two houses.
I thought you were gonna just tell me right now that someone died in our house. I was like, never mind, we're not moving.
It's possible someone died in this house. I could never know like 100% if someone died in the house or not, unless I guess we get a psychic.
Someone died in the Groovy Gamble.
Someone died in the Groovy Gamble and someone died in the Pretty and Pink house. Neither were like bad deaths, but still, I mean they're all old houses, so it's kind of bound to happen, but I could not find a single person who died in this house.
I feel like because our house was built in the 50s, and I feel like that's like the perfect era for us because like we never really like feel home in like a new house because this house was built in probably like what, 2019?
It was built 2 years ago. It was 1 year old when we moved in.
Yeah, so it's like really new and updated, which is like some people love. I don't love it. I do not feel cozy. I feel like I'm in a surgery room when I'm taking a bath in there because it's so marble and white. It's just so cozy, and I'm so excited to just live in a cozy old house that has charm. What's to say, Madame?
I think I said all I needed to say.
This is a shaking on the honey home.
We're shaking it all.
Okay.
All right, see you later.
Bye, guys.
Thanks for watching.
See you in our future.
Oh!
Ow, you just hit me in the boob.
I'm sorry, you went inside my hole.
Babe.
Don't play with the fire if you don't want to get burnt.
See us in the honey house.
Okay, listen, guys, I wanted to say one more time that I love all of you, and thank you so much for subscribing and for being a part of our family. You know, if you ever need anything, just DM us.
Yeah. Well,
honestly, I don't know. If you just DM us, I don't know. Yeah. Love you. Bye.
Bye. See you in the honey house. See you in my honey hole. My hidey hole.
I wanted to call it the hidey hole house, but she didn't like. Would you stop?